To use the stud finder, you need to put it flush on the wall and then press the on button and keep it on and slide it slowly until it beeps. So now here it means that the stud starts here. Keep on sliding it and it means that the stud ends here. So you see, this is where the stud is. Now if by mistake you put it first on the stud and then you turn it on, it will not work. So you see here, it's not finding anything. So simply, in case you don't have any light here, just turn it off and change its place and start over. And here it's finding the stud as you see.